So we all know Kirk likes to be different. We got a Phases of the Moon mould as part of our BB craft, and he didn't make Phases of the Moon.
No, I did not.
Hey folks, welcome back to the channel.
Hello.
So as part of our BB craft haul, we got a Phases of the Moon mould,
And
which you can
stencil
see
thing as well. But
you can see in screen. Yeah, I got a stencil. Is it silk screen?
silk screen.
Silk. Yeah.
Yeah.
I always think that sounds like a hairspray, but isn't that Sunsilk? Anyway, it doesn't really matter. So we got a Phases of the Moon mould, and Kirk didn't want to make Phases of the Moon.
No.
Because he likes to be different.
No, it wasn't that. It's just that I thought if you've got the Phases of the Moon, then most people are going to make a Phase of the Moon.
Yes.
And I didn't want to do that.
Because you like to be different.
Yes. Yes, I do.
So there was nothing that I said that was factually inaccurate.
I can neither confirm or deny that.
Oh, that old chestnut. So if anybody's wondering how we managed to get some goodies from BB Craft, if you've got a YouTube crafting channel that's got 100 subscribers or more, then have a look at the link in our description and you can join the BB Craft YouTube program, which is a really good program for small channels. And
yeah, you get a couple of molds. You have to do a couple of videos.
Yeah.
But you get to keep the molds and you get to play around with a couple of molds and that you wouldn't normally get.
Yeah.
You wouldn't normally go, I really want that one.
Yeah.
So
so it's really well worth it, and it's I've found it nothing but positive. So
No, I thought it's been really good.
Take a little look.
Yeah. And
the quality of the molds, I have to say, is excellent.
Yeah.
So
yeah. So so I just did a whole set just to see. And
and there is a 10% discount code in the description as well. You have to go back now.
No.
You have to go back. I can't leave that.
It's staying in there.
Oh, you're so bad.
Yeah. Anyway, I shall carry on now unless you want to interrupt me again.
No, I think that's everything.
Sure.
We have to say those things.
I know.
Okay. I'll be quiet now.
Right. So I thought.
I'm being quiet.
Yes. I thought I'd just have a play around with it and see.
As a little mouse.
Oh, we're going to be like that, are we?
Sorry. No. Go on. Go on. Do it. Do your thing.
No, I'm waiting for the interrupting mouse.
No. Stargate reference. That's what that was.
Yeah. Visual references don't really work when you're doing an audio.
I understand that. And most people probably won't get the Stargate reference, but it was a Stargate reference and it was an excellent one.
Okay. Anyway, back to me.
Okay.
I thought I would just have a play around with them and that. My original thought was I could make a caterpillar.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you've got the round head and then you could do like I don't know what that one is. It's not.
So you basically looked at that and thought caterpillar.
Yeah.
How does your mind work?
Very well.
Okay.
Yeah, because you've got the big one there as the head.
There is nothing about that says caterpillar.
Well, no, because there's only one bit. It's like, just the head.
Yeah, the caterpillar, the head. Yeah, I see that, but I don't see the body.
No, because they only had one segment. But if you put a load of those segments together,
couldn't it have been a decreasing caterpillar?
Yeah, what with it just a head? That's decreased.
Anyhow, how long did you play with as a caterpillar?
Hours. Oh no!
Is that what you were doing up here all last Saturday?
Yeah, just like worming it across the board.
Wow. I thought you were doing like other things. I didn't realise you were just playing shapes.
No, I wasn't playing
Did
shapes.
it throw you back to when you were little and your mum gave you one of those puzzles? You had to find the shape that fits in the hole. Is that what it threw you back to?
Yeah, I was reliving my childhood.
Yeah.
But-
I'd like to say that I get what you're saying, but I don't think you actually left it.
That's harsh.
I don't think so.
Anyway, I made a load.
You did.
I did lots.
You
So,
did.
different colours. I did red. Red shapes. The gold. I also put some little dots on that in the middle. And I decided I'm going to make a flower.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I did.
You did.
So I've got the gold full moon. And then I don't know what that one
It's
is.
a 3/4 moon.
Is that its official name, is it?
Yeah, 3/4 moon.
Okay.
It's a moon, but not all of it. It's 3/4.
Okay. And then I was just trying different backgrounds because I thought.
And then you went with black.
I did. I did go with black. I did. Yeah.
Wow, that's original. I actually quite liked the other colours.
Well,
I didn't realise you'd done that.
Now you've watched this, you can make your own.
Yes, I can.
There you go.
Yeah.
There?
Yeah.
So yeah, I just got a this was a photo frame that we not photo frame.
No,
canvas.
it wasn't. It's a canvas.
Canvas.
Yeah.
We
got it from Maker Central.
We did. Yeah.
From the Peebo stand.
And we've only just
Is it
used
Peebo? Pebeo.
Pebeo, yeah, I think it's Pebeo.
I always call it Peebo, and I know it's not Peebo, it's Pebeo.
Yeah.
But it looks like it should be Peebo.
Anyway, moving on.
Grammatically, I'm just saying.
So, yeah, I painted it black. And then...
Did you paint it, or was that resin?
No, that was paint.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's your glitter.
Why? What are you doing?
I looked in the cupboard.
Why do you need that much glitter?
Because we've got so much, I need to get rid of it.
That's insane.
I put more on than that.
You did not.
No, I did. So that's the middle bit of the flower.
I'm hiding my glitter.
Oh. So that's the bottom bit of the flower. That's going to be the petals.
Why is the bottom bit of the flower red? Shouldn't it be green?
No.
Why not?
Because I am the artist. And
you are the artiste?
I am the artiste. And I have deemed it to be red.
You didn't do a green piece, did you?
No, I did.
Okay.
Just didn't want to use it.
Okay.
And then purple.
Purple leaves.
Yeah. And then the green bit as the grass or the ground.
Okay.
Thoughts?
Well, my thoughts initially are that it's the wrong. What are you doing?
I'm using more glitter.
Do you really? I just can't. I can't even watch. I cannot watch.
But don't worry because we have plenty more glitter in the cupboard.
I'm gonna have to get some more. Yeah.
No. And then I'm just swirling the glitter around a bit just to because the sprinkling. I thought it was too
much.
No, not too much. I don't think I used enough, to be fair. No, it was just like where I poured it, it was just clumped.
Yeah.
And I wanted it just to be
like a sprinkling.
Yeah.
You know what you did wrong?
I used your glitter.
You used too much.
No.
There was too much.
No.
What you needed to do was go whoosh, like a little whoosh.
I did.
It was more of a whoosh.
No, I did a whoosh, but I did like several of them.
Yeah, that was what you did wrong.
Yeah, no, it wasn't. So so that was that, and then while that was drying, I thought, what else can I do with this?
Indeed.
And I thought, I know, I will make a keyring. So what I did was a little eye and a smiley face
For the moon.
for the moon. And then I got the gold, I can't remember what it's called now.
Relief paint.
That's the one. And I thought I'm going to use that for the sun.
Yeah. Do you need more black?
No.
Okay.
No, I've got another one of those, a fresh one.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
So what you're saying is I keep you well supplied?
No. That's not what I'm saying.
That sounded like it to me.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Do you think that's what it sounded like?
Selective hearing.
I feel that I keep you well supplied.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm just doing little points of the sun.
Mm-hmm.
Are they points?
Yeah. What else would they be?
I don't know.
They're pointy,
Yeah.
therefore they're points.
And then
I mean, I don't know how, scientifically accurate it is.
oh no, it's accurate.
I'm not convinced that the sun actually has a smiley face.
But you can't see it because if you look at the sun, it's like blinding.
Okay, I'll give you that. But how do you explain the moon face? Because you can look at the moon.
It's on the other side. You don't actually see the other side.
You're like the king of loopholes, aren't you?
No. You don't. You've never. No, you've never seen the other side of it, so you don't know that there isn't a face there.
I'm fairly confident when I say there probably isn't.
But probably. Still a chance.
Okay, I'm sorry. I am 100% confident there is no face the other side of the moon.
No.
Okay.
So yeah. So I did a bit of a.
That's a really bright yellow.
Yeah.
Is that the neon? Is that a neon colour?
No.
Oh.
No. It's just.
Which yellow is that? It's really pretty.
I just use a bit of a mica.
Oh. It's very pretty.
Yeah. I can't remember if I used your glitter as well.
No.
So I've done a very, very thin layer. And then I didn't let it completely cure, but I just enough so that I could demold it.
Yeah.
And then I forgot to record. But I put the moon in over the sun, and then just put a blue, and again with a bit of mica, and then I just let that cure. And then once it was cured, it did start to rise up a little bit. So I had to weigh it down with a couple of lollipop sticks.
Okay.
But my thought was, you got one side would be the sun,
and one side would be the moon.
One side would be the moon.
And I forgot to take photographs of these, didn't I? So what I'll do is I will go on, say it. You have one job.
One job.
I will put photos of the key rings on our community tab.
One job.
I forgot. Sorry. They are very pretty though.
But they don't know that because they can't see them.
Well, they're going to see you demold them, look.
Yeah, but then once it was demolded, you domed it.
I domed it.
And put a hook on it and that, and turned it into a keyring.
I did.
So that's the one side, Sleepy Moon. And then that was the other side with the smiley sun.
Yeah.
I thought it was quite...
It's very pretty, and it's a different way to use the mould, for sure. What do you guys think? What ideas can you think of to use it? Yeah, how would you use it? Because I wouldn't have thought to do that in a million years, if I'm completely honest.
No, you do phases of the moon.
I'd have done phases of the moon. Anyway, here's the glamour shots. Anyone that's still with us, thank you so much for watching. Please do feel free to like, subscribe, all that shizzle. It really does help our channel. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
And don't forget to look at the community tab for the photos that she forgot to put up.
Yeah, indeed. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.